TablDA allows you to quickly create powerful linked relational data tables representing logical relationships based on your specific needs, without any coding required. With TablDA, you have the freedom to drill up or drill down the relational tables from anywhere, efficiently accessing the data you need at the places you want and in the format you require. You can even apply down to cell level granular permission control for free and secure sharing of dynamically updated partial or full range of data in the tables with viewing and editing permissions, as well as operational privileges with anyone. TablDA provides exactly what you need to finally achieve seamless, unconstrained, effective collaboration.